Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu. As a beginner, Asu is a popular rhythm game where your goal is to click circles, follow sliders, and spin spinners in time with the music. It's all about precision and rhythm. You can play using a mouse and keyboard, or many players prefer a graphics tablet for more fluid movement. We'll cover the basic mechanics and how to get started with your first few maps. Let's dive into the core mechanics. When a circle appears, a larger approach circle shrinks around it. You need to click precisely when the approach circle aligns with the hit circle. For sliders, hold down your click and smoothly trace the path until it ends. Spinners require you to rapidly move your cursor in a circle until the meter fills up. Mastering these three elements is key to success. Choosing the right maps is crucial for beginners. Always start with easy or normal difficulty levels to get a feel for the game's rhythm and object placement. Don't be afraid to adjust your cursor sensitivity or tablet area until it feels natural. Many players also customize their game's appearance with different skins, which can improve readability. Remember, focus on hitting objects accurately rather than trying to play very fast maps. To truly improve, consistent practice is essential. Try playing a wide variety of maps to develop different skills like aim, rhythm, and reading. The in-game editor is a powerful tool. Use it to slow down challenging sections and practice them repeatedly. Watching replays from experienced players can also provide valuable insights into their techniques. Remember, even 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice each day can lead to significant progress over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.